As introduction for the road safety inspection Rsi project, we are going to inspect the road safety along the 1,200 meters of the school that we have chosen, and we have decided to pick the SMK Taman Johor Jaya 2 from Johor as it fulfills the criteria to be inspected. The common items that should be along the school zone are the pedestrian crossing facilities, the provision of proper sidewalk to the school entrance, bus layout at the bus stop, the provision of calming devices at the main road adjacent to the school entrance, provision of waiting area for the parents and school vans, road marking is in a good condition, presence of a large tree along the main road, and the nearby houses or premises within the inspected distance with direct access to the main road. Other than that, the signs that are supposed to be at the school zones are the hour sign. Other than that, the speed limit sign, the school zone sign, last but not least, the bump sign. The news of road accidents involving the students are commonly heard nowadays. According to the statement in the extraordinary article, mentioned that more than 1,000 deaths due to the road accidents involving students were recorded from January to September 2017. The investigation found that the highest number for this group is because most of them choose to ignore the traffic signals, drive fast in front of the school grounds, and not comply with other aspects of safety. Among the factors that contributes to the things that I have mentioned earlier is also the school does not follow the guidelines by the METRA and Rsi checklist. As a result, we must make sure that every school, particularly in Malaysia, follow all the rules. The objective of this project is to determine whether the school follow the Rsi checklist and METRA guidelines to lessen the risk of the accident occurrence and to protect the students and civilians from getting involved in the accidents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aimahan bin Firuzan. So today in this video I will tell you about methodology. RSI is road safety inspection, where it is a system where the inspector will go to the road to analyze if there is any major flaw or problem that can lead to a big accident. So we use many websites to collect data from our road, because nowadays we have COVID, so we cannot go to our road school. So we have METRA. We use METRA to compare the school condition road to make sure is it safe to use for student. Number 2, it is also a road and safety handbook. Second, we use instant street view. We use it to scout the school area because it is more clear and more easy to use. Second, it is easy to access, where you can access it using phone and also laptop. Lastly, we use Google Map. Google Map gives us detailed information about our school. Google Map can also measure distance, where we need to take 600 meters from the school to left and to the right. And also Google Map provides street view and also satellite images. So for our flowchart, it starts with our instant street view, and then we go to Google Map where we calculate the measurement. After that, we use METRA to check whether the road is safe to use or not. And then lastly, we go to RSI checklist, where we look at the road and we think whether the road is safe to use or not, whether the road have the spec that the JKR wants.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Aiman and I'm from Group 3. Here I will explain about 3.0 findings and discussions. In this point, we have two sub-points, which is 3.1 inspection method and 3.2 for the discussions. We have divided into two ways, from the school gate, which is to the right side from the school gate, and to the left side from the school gate. The total distance between the two sides is 1,200 meters, which means each side we divided into equal distance, which is 600 meters. Okay, on the screen we can see that there are 5 elements that we discovered from the road that to the right side from the school gates, which have been labeled 1 until 5. Previous slide, I have shown all the elements that we discovered from the right to the right side from the school gate, which is there are 5 elements. Right now on the screen, I have made the table that have all the elements that we discovered with our comment. Okay, generally for the first, second and the third element, we have no comment and no objection to the element. But for the fourth and the fifth element, we have inserted some comment and our own objection. One, to the inspection that we made to the left side of the school gate. Okay, there are 8 elements that we discovered. Okay, right now on the screen, we have shown the first 5 elements that we discovered. Right now, the slide is shown the rest of the element that we discovered, which is the 6, 7 and 8 elements to the left side from the school gate. As you can see at the screen right now, we also made a table that has all the elements that we inspect, which is 8 elements with our own comment to the left side from the school gate. There are 3 elements that we have no objection about and 5 elements that we have objection for it. The elements that we have no objection is the first, second and the 7th element. And the element that we have no objection is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and the 8th elements. As you can see, for the element that we have objection, we have included the comment on the screen right now. That's all from me, thank you.
Based on the inspection we have conducted, we were able to determine that SMK Taman Johor Jaya 2 does not follow the METRA guideline, but the school is still considered safe as they followed most of the RSI checklist. The METRA guideline that they did not follow is most of the signs are not there. As recommendation, the school should make a complaint to the Public Works Department, JKR, and ask them to install the signs according to the guideline. The construction site nearby should also install the warning sign at the road near the site to give awareness to the other road users. The locals also should be aware and not blocking the sign with their property, such as a stall. As a conclusion, the road layout to be upgraded to comply with the requirement to increase the safety of the people, particularly students and the other residents. That's all from us. Thank you.